What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So today's video we're going to show you guys how we actually track our inventory. We got it all set up on the ground. I'm going to cut this intro. We'll be right back. So now that you guys are back from that intro, if you're new here, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it on YouTube for over a year now. Crazy. So thank you to all of our subscribers. We always want to say thank you for that. But let's get right into this video, show you guys how we track our inventory, waste none of your time.
So he shouldn't stake. We literally just started this. This is the very first one, as you can tell, Random Bins 1. But we got this tip a while ago to start tracking all of this stuff on our, on a spreadsheet that you could look up, on your computer, and I was like, wow, that is genius. And so finally, after many months of hatred towards our inventory, we're finally fixing it. So right now, what we're doing is we have a section or a category on Google Spreadsheets called Random Bins 1, which, as you can tell, matches that right there, which is our handy dandy label. I wanted to print it, but Martin said I had to.
I said at the same time, let's just write on it so we don't have to go through the whole Word document and printing and all that.
But anyway, so what I'm doing right now is going through and literally just listing every single thing that's in this bin. And it's a big bin, so there's a lot of clothes in it. So as you can tell, that's a pretty big list right there.
Oh yeah.
But what's so nice about this, so let's do Command F. And we're gonna find in sheet, let's just say this Marilyn Monroe hoodie. Oh boy. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Ha! I was gonna say, that's embarrassing. Guess this plan doesn't work. Alright, so it pops up with a little green thing, and I can see right there, I'm like, okay, so where is it in? I just scroll up and I look in, and it's in Random Bins 1. I go to this bin and find it. So with being how many, that didn't make sense. So with how many items we actually have, it just makes more sense to be able to do something like this.
To quickly see it, yeah.
Because it's impossible to do it otherwise, so.
It's been a huge headache, but we're finally cracking down on it, getting it done.
And I'm really excited to do this. I think this is really smart, and it's gonna be nice to be able to really see everything we have again, because there's a lot of stuff that we don't know. We just don't remember. We have 900 freaking items.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna let Martin explain now how he created the sheet.
So how I created the sheet was I was just in Excel, hold it up.
Google Spreadsheets.
Google Spreadsheets, and what I did was I created columns, dragged them all over, which actually I found out the tip. If you are dragging your columns over to make them bigger, if you highlight all of these top columns and you drag the one over, it will do it to all of them. I wasted half my time doing half the alphabet, and I was like, you know what, let me just try this. Highlighted them all, pulled them all over. I was like, wow, game changer. So then I made the second or the first row, I pulled it down a little bit so it was a little bit enlarged, put a font in there the size of, yeah, I put the blue color, and then I put the font the size of 20 something, so it's just bigger than this one.
So it'll stand out.
And it looks like the top label bar. Sorry for this focus on this camera, guys. And then just put bins for when Christina wants to change it to what. Yeah, they're the kind of the presets, so she just knows and stuff. And then yeah, she's able to log it in right there. Goes down as far as she needs it to go, which is pretty crazy. And then it goes from A all the way to Z.
So yeah, that is how we are going to start organizing our inventory now. as silly as it sounds, it's probably going to be the biggest move that we have for
Seriously.
our eBay store right now. So I'm really excited to just get back on track with everything and finally have some peace of mind as to where items are and not want to stab my eyes out every time something sells.
So that's the biggest question we get asked all the time is how do we keep these stuff organized and listed? All this bins clothing. We weren't keeping it organized is the answer, and we are going to start keeping it organized starting now.
As of right now.
So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you.
I have a red bin started.
So we really appreciate you guys watching. We know this was a really short video, not like our usual hour-long post or anything, but
we've been getting the question, seriously, almost every single live stream, people reach out to us, so just how do you keep all that inventory? And our answer literally is, it's an organized mess. So finally, it'll be a tracked organized mess.
It'll be organized. So like I said a million times, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, smash that like button or crush it. And leave a comment down below how you guys do inventory, or what was some of your biggest mistakes with inventory. Like, I don't know, did you keep anything in the basement in a cardboard box and it get soaked? I'd like to know. That'd be horrible. Could you imagine if your eBay stuff got like ruined?
Cry.
Alright, we're gonna let you go now. I'm just dragging it out now. Peace guys, we love you. Have a great day.
Oh, I get to punch it.